Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here with a special evening webcast for Wednesday night, December the 4th, 2013. I haven't done an evening webcast in a while, and I just wanted to kind of walk through what was a crazy day in the markets today. Um, so here is the 30-minute chart I've been putting up on Twitter today. And it's easier to keep these moves on a 30-minute chart because if you try to put them on a 5-minute chart, it just blows the whole thing out. So we had some incredible swings. We started out in the morning hours where we failed up at the 96 area. We went down to 84.5, and everybody thought, wow, that's a pretty bearish move there. We broke back through the middle band and went all the way back up to test 98. The resistance zone was a support zone. Started to become resistance overnight to Monday night into Tuesday early morning. Failed again. And then the bears really got it rolling. They came back down, took the middle band back with some serious authority, and drove it all the way down to 77. But what they did was they got ahead of themselves again. And we've been talking about that. I've been talking about that on my subscriber webcast. I've been talking about that in the room, and I've been talking about it in the pre-market webcast. The bears pushed things down too far too fast, and they got ahead of themselves on the 77, and they ran into a serious short squeeze. I heard a lot of things today on Twitter, in the room, and everything else. I did not hear a lot of people that were long in the 70s. So that tells me that a lot of people were short. That didn't get out as much as they wanted to get out, and then started to fight it going up. And as we get back to the middle band, that was the last chart that I sent out today. We were testing the middle band. Was it going to hold? And I said that was a high noon moment for the market, and it certainly was for today. And the bulls blew through it. So I had tweeted out earlier that the bears had won the battle for the middle band. That was wrong. As it stands right now, the bulls have won, or if you're really bearishly inclined, you can call it a draw. But right now, we're sitting above the middle band. We're trading 92. The one thing I am noticing is that rather than go all the way back up to 98, we did not challenge 98 on this pop. So we made a lower high versus the 99 half high that we made in the 10 o'clock hour this morning. So this high, the 330 high at 95.75, that's a lower high. So as we head into the trade tonight, we need to look at this trend line that I just added from the 10 a.m. high today through the 330 high, and see how price reacts to that trend line on a retest. I think whether we test that trend line or not, whether that trend line is even relevant, we'll have to see. I do think we'll go back to test the 87 area, a retest of the middle band, and we'll have to see if they want to continue to battle over the middle band, or if it's a situation where the bulls are going to make a higher low versus the 77s and then head higher. I would argue that even if we do make a higher low versus the 77s, that action in making that low will get the middle band involved. So I think it's a little lower from here. Could the bulls go down, or bears rather, go down and make new lows and push it lower? After today, you bet they could. Absolutely. So this is a good old-fashioned volatility day in the market. And they are fun to trade at certain points of the day, and they are not fun to trade at all at other points of the day. So, but that's what we're looking at going into tonight's trade. I'll have a pre-market webcast tomorrow. I'll have the pivots out later. Follow us on Twitter. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Whether you do it with us or somewhere else, you should not be trading this stuff by yourself. You should not be trading it in a vacuum. You will not be able to hold it. You will run into all kinds of trouble. So I would very humbly say, come check us out for a couple of weeks and see if we can help you. We've helped a lot of people, and maybe we can help you. If you If you trade this stuff every day, I think you'll like what you see. So everybody have a fantastic night. I will catch everybody in the morning with the pre-market webcast. Trade them well.